Learning friends, we will share and play so much fun today. We're learning friends. Hi friend, let's explore. Open the book. Let's explore. Open the book. Pets. Meow. Animals. Touch a picture. Cat. Meow. Rabbit. Pony. Guinea pig. Dog. Hen. Bird. Fish. Fun facts. Touch a picture to learn something new. This cat climbs. Meow. This rabbit jumps. This pony gallops. This guinea pig walks. Our class pet is a guinea pig. This dog is walking. This hen walks. This bird flies. Roar! Ooh, this fish is swimming. Fun sounds. Touch the pictures to hear fun sounds. Meow. Roar! Ooh, this fish is swimming. Words. Touch a picture. Penguin. Bear. Elephant. Lion. Giraffe. Hippopotamus. Panda. Monkey. Fun facts. Touch a picture to learn something new. This penguin is black and white.
I have a friend who is a penguin.
This bear is brown. Elephant.
Ooh, I love elephants.
This lion is brown. This giraffe is orange and brown. This hippopotamus is grey. This panda is black and white. Monkey is brown.
My name is Monkey. Look at me swing.
Fun sounds. Touch the pictures to hear fun sounds.
My name is Monkey. Look at me swing.
Panda. Fruits.
Yum, yum. Mmm.
Food. Yum, yum, yum. Words. Touch a picture. Watermelon. Cherries. Grapes. Pear. Orange. Lemon. Apple. Banana. Fun facts. Touch a picture to learn something new. This watermelon is green and red. These cherries are red. These grapes are purple. This pear is green. This orange is orange. is yellow. This apple is red.
This banana is yellow. Bananas are my favorite fruit.
Fun sounds. Touch the pictures to hear fun sounds.
This banana is yellow. Bananas are my favorite fruit.
Words. Touch a picture. Bread. Broccoli. Milk. Carrot. Eggs. Water. Cheese. Rice. Fun facts. Touch a picture to learn something new. This bread smells delicious. Broccoli is green. Milk makes your bones strong. A carrot grows in the ground. Eggs come from chickens. It's important to drink water every day. Cheese comes from cows. Rice is hard to eat with chopsticks. Fun sounds. Touch the pictures to hear fun sounds. Rice is hard to eat with chopsticks. Mealtime. Clothes. Words. Touch a picture. Table. Fork. Glass. Bowl. Napkin. Spoon. Bottle. Plate. Fun facts. Touch a picture to learn something new. We put our food on a table. We hold a fork with our hand. This glass is full of juice. We put our food in a bowl. We use a napkin to clean our mouth. We hold a spoon with our hand. This bottle is full of milk.
I eat from a plate.
Fun sounds. Touch the pictures to hear fun sounds.
I eat from a plate.
Words. Touch a picture. Shirt. Shorts. Shoes. Socks. Boots. Gloves. Coat. Hat. Fun facts. Touch a picture to learn something new. Shirt is pink. The sun is out. Time for shorts. These shoes go on our feet. Those socks don't match. Boots are yellow. These gloves go on our hands? It's cold. Time for a coat. Do you like my hat? Fun sounds. Touch the pictures to hear fun sounds. Do you like my hat? Clothes. Colors. My body. Words. Touch a picture. Orange. Red. Brown. Green. Blue. Purple. Yellow. Pink. Fun facts. Touch a picture to learn something new. Orange, like tiger. Red, like cherries. Brown, like monkey. Green, like turtle. Blue, like the sky. Purple, like grapes. Yellow, like bananas. Ooh, pink is my favorite color. What's yours? Fun sounds. Touch the pictures to hear fun sounds. Ooh, pink is my favorite color. What's yours? Words. Touch a picture. Eyes. Nose. Mouth. Foot. Arm. Hand. Ear. Body. Fun facts. Touch a picture to learn something new. We use our eyes to see. We use our nose to smell. Mmm, something smells delicious. We use our mouth to eat. This foot needs a sock. We use our arms to hug. We use our hands to clap. We use our ears to hear. My body. Fun sounds. Touch the pictures to hear fun sounds. Activities. Outside. Words. Touch a picture. Eat. Mm. Drink. Run. Jump. Hug. Fun facts. Touch a picture to learn something new. I love to eat carrots. What do you like to eat? It's important to drink water every day. Cheers! Can you crawl like a turtle?
Sleeping helps your body grow.
Mwah! Thanks for the kiss, Turtle. Time for my daily run. like a tiger. Ooh,
This is my favorite activity.
Fun sounds. Touch the pictures to hear fun sounds. Words. Touch a picture. Sun. Cloud. Rain. Flower. Tree. Rainbow. Stars. Moon. Fun facts. Touch a picture to learn something new. The sun is out. It's hot. A cloud way up in the sky. When it's raining, we need a raincoat. This flower is purple. This tree is green. At all the colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Stars way up in the sky. Moon. Fun sounds. Touch the pictures to hear fun sounds. Touch a picture. Vehicles. Opposites. Words. Touch a picture. Helicopter. Car. Boat. Submarine. Train. Bus. Aeroplane. Bicycle. Fun facts. Touch a picture to learn something new. A helicopter flies in the sky. A car drives on the road. A boat sails on the water. A submarine moves through the ocean. A train runs on the tracks. A bus drives on the road. An aeroplane flies in the sky. Roar! I ride my bicycle on bike paths. Fun sounds. Touch the pictures to hear fun sounds. Roar! I ride my bicycle on bike paths. Words. Touch a picture. Day. Night. Dirty. Clean. Sad. Cold. Hot. Happy. Touch a picture to learn something new.
During the day, the sun makes the flowers grow. Ooh! Look at the stars.
I'm dirty. I need a bath. I'm clean. I am sad.
I'm so happy.
I love words. Learning friends. We will